Sometimes in programming, we need to check conditions and perform certain action if condition is true or false. That's where we use if-else statements. Here is the syntax of if-else in Python. First we write if keyword followed by a condition and colon. Under if we write some code, then we write else keyword followed by colon and a different code under else. When condition is true, the code under if executes, and if condition is false, the code under else executes. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we are making a voting system where we need to make sure the age is greater than 17, 18 or above. So here is how we can do that. First, we will make a variable holding the age of user. For now, we will hardcode it to 20. Then we will write if age is greater than 17, print you can vote, else print sorry you cannot vote. Now because the age is 20, the condition if age is greater than 17 will be read as 20 is greater than 17. The condition is true, so the if code will execute printing you can vote on the console. Now if we change the age to 16, the condition will read as 16 is greater than 17, which is false, so the else part will execute printing sorry you cannot vote on the console. Here is another example. Let's say we have a variable planet having value earth. If planet is equal to earth, now here double equal sign is not assignment operator, it is comparison operator which checks whether two values are equal. So if planet is equal to earth, we will print hello human, else we will print hello alien. Now because the planet value is earth, so the condition will read as earth is equal to earth, which is true, so it will print hello human on the console. If we change the planet value to Mars, now Mars is equal to earth will be a false condition, so the else part will execute which will show hello alien on the console.